Hello, holiday hosts and home cooks. Get ready to transform your festive table. Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of sweet potatoes. These vibrant, naturally sweet root vegetables are an absolute staple for any holiday gathering. They bring warmth, color, and incredible flavor to every meal. We all know and love the classic sweet potato casserole, often topped with marshmallows or pecans. It's a beloved tradition, and for good reason. But what if we told you there's a whole universe of sweet potato possibilities waiting to be explored? This season, let's move beyond the familiar. Our goal today is to inspire you with creative and versatile ways to use sweet potatoes. We'll discover dishes that will surprise and delight your guests. Get ready to make sweet potatoes the star of your holiday spread in ways you never imagined. Let's get cooking. First up, let's explore the savory side of sweet potatoes. They are incredibly versatile and can anchor a delicious, hearty dish. These ideas will add unexpected depth and flavor to your holiday menu. Let's start with a simple yet incredibly flavorful preparation: roasted sweet potatoes. Roasting is a magical technique that truly enhances their natural sweetness. It brings out a beautiful caramelization on the edges. To prepare, simply toss cubed or sliced sweet potatoes with a generous drizzle of olive oil. Then add your core ingredients for flavor. Fresh rosemary and thyme are fantastic choices, along with minced garlic, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast until they are tender on the inside and beautifully browned and slightly crispy on the outside. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes at a medium-high temperature. For an extra layer of warmth, consider adding a pinch of smoked paprika before roasting. It introduces a lovely, earthy depth. Or, for a touch of gourmet elegance, drizzle them with a rich balsamic glaze just before serving. This simple dish is a perfect, easy side that complements almost any main course. It's a vibrant addition to your holiday plate. The aroma alone will get everyone excited for dinner. Next, let's elevate a holiday classic: stuffing. Imagine a stuffing that's both savory and subtly sweet with incredible texture. Our sweet potato and sausage stuffing does exactly that. This dish takes traditional stuffing to a whole new level of deliciousness. The key components here are, of course, roasted sweet potatoes. Their tender sweetness provides a wonderful contrast to the savory elements. You'll also need crumbled sausage, which can be Italian sausage for a bit of spice or breakfast sausage for a milder flavor. Cook it until browned and drain any excess fat. Then, sauté aromatic additions like finely diced onions and celery until softened. These vegetables form the flavorful base of any great stuffing. For the herb blend, fresh sage and parsley are essential. They bring that classic holiday aroma and taste. Combine the roasted sweet potatoes, cooked sausage, sautéed aromatics, and herbs with your favorite bread cubes. Moisten with broth and bake until golden and fragrant. This stuffing adds delightful sweetness and a fantastic textural contrast to your holiday meal. It's a dish that will have everyone asking for the recipe. It's hearty, flavorful, and truly special. This stuffing might just become your new holiday tradition. For a flavorful vegetarian option that's anything but an afterthought, consider sweet potato and black bean burgers. These are hearty, satisfying, and packed with incredible taste. They make a fantastic alternative for your non-meat-eating guests. The base of these burgers is mashed roasted sweet potatoes. Their natural sweetness and creamy texture are perfect for binding. The main protein comes from hearty black beans, which adds substance and a lovely earthy flavor. For texture and to help bind everything together, incorporate breadcrumbs. These ensure your burgers hold their shape beautifully. Spices like cumin and chili powder are crucial here. They infuse the burgers with a warm, smoky, and slightly spicy kick. To ensure everything stays together, use an egg as a binding agent. For a vegan option, a flaxseed meal mixed with water works perfectly. Form the mixture into patties and pan fry or bake until golden brown and firm. Serve these delicious burgers on toasted buns with your favorite toppings. Think avocado, fresh salsa, or a zesty lime crema. They are so flavorful, even meat eaters will be reaching for a second one. These burgers are a testament to the versatility of sweet potatoes. They prove that holiday dishes can be both traditional and innovative. Now let's indulge in the naturally sweet side of sweet potatoes. These dishes are perfect for dessert or as a rich, comforting side. They offer sophisticated alternatives to the usual holiday fare. Move over traditional casserole and make way for the elegant sweet potato gratin. This dish is a sophisticated alternative that will impress your guests. It's creamy, rich, and utterly delicious. Preparation involves thinly slicing sweet potatoes, which allows them to cook evenly and absorb all the wonderful flavors. These delicate slices are then layered beautifully in a baking dish. The creamy base is typically made with heavy cream, sometimes infused with garlic or herbs. A pinch of nutmeg adds a warm, aromatic note that perfectly complements the sweet potatoes. For an extra layer of indulgence, sprinkle in some cheese. Gruyere offers a nutty, complex flavor, while Parmesan provides a sharp, salty contrast. Layer the sweet potatoes, cream, and cheese, repeating until your dish is full. Bake until the gratin is tender, bubbly, and boasts a gorgeous golden brown crust. The edges will be slightly caramelized and irresistible. This gratin is a showstopper, offering a luxurious texture and incredible depth of flavor. It's a comforting dish that feels incredibly special. It's a perfect side for any holiday roast. The classic sweet potato pie is a beloved dessert. But let's give it a delightful twist this year. We can elevate this foundational holiday treat with just a few creative changes. The creamy, spiced sweet potato filling remains the heart of the pie. But why stick to a plain pastry crust when you can experiment? Consider a ginger snap crust for a warm, spicy kick that perfectly complements the sweet potato. The ginger adds a festive zing. Another fantastic variation is to add a pecan crumble topping. This provides a wonderful textural contrast to the smooth filling. It also introduces a nutty, buttery flavor that is simply irresistible. Imagine the crunch of the crumble against the silky pie filling. You can also infuse your filling with a hint of orange zest or a splash of bourbon for added complexity. These small changes make a big impact. This pie with a twist will become a new favorite at your holiday dessert table. It's familiar yet exciting, comforting yet innovative. It's the perfect sweet ending to a festive meal. For a dessert that perfectly balances sweetness with a touch of tartness, try a sweet potato and apple crumble. This dish is a celebration of autumn and winter flavors. It's warm, comforting, and incredibly satisfying. The flavor profile combines the inherent sweetness of cooked sweet potatoes with the crisp tartness of apples. This creates a harmonious and exciting taste experience. It's a match made in dessert heaven. The components include tender, cooked sweet potatoes and sliced apples, often tossed with a little cinnamon and sugar. These are then topped with a buttery oat crumble. The crumble provides a delightful crunch and a rich, nutty flavor. Bake until the fruit is bubbly and tender, and the crumble topping is golden brown and crisp. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely divine. It's a truly inviting dessert. Serve the sweet potato and apple crumble warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. The cold, creamy ice cream melting into the warm crumble is pure bliss. Or a dollop of freshly whipped cream makes it extra special. This crumble is a comforting and delicious way to end any holiday feast. It's rustic, elegant, and utterly delicious. It's a dessert that feels like a warm hug. To ensure your sweet potato dishes are always a triumph, here are a few essential tips. These will help you get the most flavor and best texture from your ingredients. Mastering these basics will elevate all your holiday cooking. Always start with the best ingredients. When choosing sweet potatoes, look for ones that are firm to the touch. They should be unblemished, without any soft spots or sprouts. A smooth, even skin indicates freshness and quality. The color of the skin can vary, but the flesh should be vibrant. Good quality sweet potatoes are the foundation of any delicious dish. For maximum flavor, roasting is often your best friend when it comes to sweet potatoes. This technique concentrates their natural sweetness. It also creates that desirable caramelization on the exterior. High heat transforms their starches into sugars, resulting in a richer, deeper flavor. Whether cubed, sliced, or whole, roasting brings out their very best. Don't be afraid to let them get a little browned. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile, so don't be afraid to experiment with different spices. Beyond salt and pepper, consider warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. These are perfect for sweet dishes. For savory preparations, try cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, or even a touch of cayenne. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage also pair beautifully. Let your palate guide your creativity. Varying the texture of your sweet potatoes can add interest to your dishes. You can mash them for a creamy, smooth consistency, perfect for pies or gratins. Cubing them offers a hearty bite, ideal for roasting or stuffing. Slicing them thinly works wonderfully for elegant gratins or layered dishes. Each preparation method brings a different experience to the table. Think about how texture contributes to the overall dish. There you have it, a world of sweet potato possibilities beyond the traditional casserole. We've explored savory sensations and sweet delights, each offering a unique way to enjoy this incredible vegetable. From elegant gratins to hearty burgers, sweet potatoes truly shine. By embracing these creative ideas, you can transform the humble sweet potato into a true holiday star. You'll add vibrant flavors and exciting textures to your festive spread. Your guests will be delighted by the innovation. So this holiday season, step out of your comfort zone and experiment. Offer a delightful and memorable culinary experience that celebrates the versatility of sweet potatoes. Happy cooking and happy holidays.